Alright guys, so on today's vlog, we are actually going to go to the Apple store. Unfortunately, my phone broke, it's shattered, it's like completely done. And stay tuned and watch the video so you can find out how it happened. It was bound to happen, I'll just say that. And then also, I got some merch, t-shirts made, my first merch product. I'm going to go get these shirts picked up. We got to get packed. We got to get a new phone because I go on the cruise. And Lord knows you can't travel without a phone. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. We're going to try to stop and get something to eat in between. But we're going to get a new iPhone, get our new t-shirts for merch, and get some food. Stay tuned, honeys. Harry here. Mwah. Kano. Kano wants to say hi. Oh, Kano. Say hi. Good boy. I got 5 on it. Julio! Julio's a good boy! Alright. Let's look at these t-shirts. This is I like them. Hey, Shawty. I'm at the mall right now. I'm waiting on my new iPhone. Now, you guys haven't already seen, but look, this is what happened to my iPhone. Completely shattered. I didn't have my insurance on the iPhone, so that means I had to pay out of pocket. So I'm at the mall right now. I got hungry and I figured, you know what, let's go do a little video. They had a nice Greek restaurant here, so I don't really eat Greek food too often. But I mean, you can't go wrong with chicken and some good rice, so we're here. My phone should be ready in the next 45 minutes. I'm actually excited because I had an iPhone 12. I'm getting the iPhone 15. I'm going on the cruise tomorrow. You don't want to travel without a phone, right? When was the last time you traveled without a phone? So I need my phone, especially if I'm going to be on a ship, on a cruise ship. You know, I need to be able to get a hold of somebody in case an emergency happens. But enough about my iPhone. Let's dig into this food. We got some of this sauce. Let's try this sauce out. I taste a little cucumber in here. Wow, it tastes refreshing. Let's try this sauce here. Looks like a barbecue. Whoa. Let's try it out. Yeah, I can smell it already. It's barbecue. Good barbecue. I think these are, I don't know what they're called. What, pita bread? But we got a nice, fresh pita bread. We're going to try it. Dip it in here. Alright. Let's try this rice first. Okay. Not too shabby. Try these vegetables. Let's try this chicken. Just dip the chicken in some of that juice. Pretty good. Quick fact. So, I haven't drank a Coca-Cola in about 3 weeks. You might ask, like, why'd you stop drinking Coca-Cola if you love Coca-Cola so much? But I've been drinking Coca-Cola since I was a little kid. I've been drinking pop since I was a kid. I don't think I've ever gone at any point in my life without drinking soda. So I wanted to prove to myself that I don't have to drink soda. So I've been drinking Gatorade Zero or just cutting back on sugar. But today, they didn't have Diet Coke here. They didn't have anything. This is my first Coca-Cola that I've had in about 3 weeks. And I thought I'm going to finish it all. Surprisingly, I've been eating my normal foods, my dinners, but I've been drinking it with Gatorade Zero. And to be honest, like, I haven't been craving a Coca-Cola. I thought I was going to be craving one the first couple days, but I haven't really craved one. But today there was no other option. They had water, but I'm like, do I want to have water with this? I mean, not ready. But, well, you know what? Why not? Why not? So for that, we got our Coke. Wow. And that's a good Coke right there. Wow, I haven't tasted that in, about 3 weeks. Wow. Nice little piece of broccoli. Are any of you guys out there, are you guys fans of Greek food? I'm not a big lamb eater, and I know a lot of Greek food, they have lamb, I think. Like the gyro meat, I think it's lamb. Don't get me wrong. It's good, but I just don't eat lamb too often, you know? But do you guys like gyros or gyros or Greek food? Remember when I told you guys that Bob had a girlfriend that was trying to scam him? Well, apparently she did try to scam him. So she went into his bank. She walked into his bank with a fake check with $8,000 that she was trying to deposit into his account. She had his account information, so she deposited a fake check. They froze the check because they thought something was fishy. And apparently she was waiting for the check to be cleared so she could take $8,000. Well, the bank called him and asked him, hey, did you send somebody in to deposit a check? He's denied it. So he had to go into the bank. They showed him on the surveillance cameras who it was, and it was her. Now, they wanted to press charges, but Bob, being Bob, he didn't want to get her in trouble. So not only did the girl try to scam him for $8,000, he didn't want to press charges. And she's out there walking free right now. And I'm like, wow, like that trifling ass bitch. Like, she was trying to get Bob. And it goes to show that there's people out here that will take advantage of you, especially older folks. Like, there's people out here, scammers, that prowl on older people because they're lonely. They have nobody to talk to. And if I'm not trying to pat myself on the shoulder, but I called it. I told Bob, like, man, something tells me she's trying to scam you. Sure enough, she was. And the sad part is she's walking free right now. Walking free, potentially looking for another victim. Wow. Wow. Oh. What this needs is a little bit of black pepper.
Or you know what? Some good old Tabasco sauce.
This'll work.
This'll work.
Wow, I can't get enough of this bread. Look how fresh it is. Toasty it is. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a little. I'm gonna give you guys a little backstory on how my phone ended up like this.
Oh my God!
On how my phone ended up like this. So, yesterday, right? I was at the gym, working out. I leave the gym. I call Libby to talk to her about something. I have all the dopamine rush to my brain from working out. I'm feeling good, right? I get in my car, but as soon as I'm getting in my car, I notice there was a gallon of water, like a jar, just underneath my car. So I put my phone on top of my car, just temporarily, so I could get down on my knees and pull out whatever was stuck underneath my car. Well, I was talking to Libby on my earbud. I got distracted and I left my phone on top of the car. So I get in my vehicle, close the door, and I proceed to drive. Now I'm driving, talking to Libby, you know, doing my thing, and I merge onto the highway. As I merge onto the highway, I'm picking up speed. I'm getting into my lane, right? Hit my turning signal, merging over. Out of nowhere, I hear something fly off of the hood of my car. And when I look in my rearview mirror, guess what I see? My phone in the middle of the air, right? So I'm like, I pulled over instantly on the emergency lane on the highway, put my four-way flashers on, get out my car, run back down the highway, see my phone, waited for some cars to pass. I pick up my phone and my phone was like this. So that's what happens when you're distracted. You do dumb stuff like this. So this phone has lasted me about 3 years, 2 years maybe. And someone used my ass, don't you have insurance? I had insurance, but the way Apple works is if you have insurance and you go a month without paying it, they automatically revoke your insurance. I had insurance, but I had lost my wallet once, and when I got my new debit card, I didn't update my debit card on my account. Therefore, my insurance expired, and when I went to go to reactivate my insurance, they told me you can't reactivate it anymore. So I've had my phone for some time with no insurance, but look at this thing. This thing is beat up. Completely shattered. But it is what it is, right? Oh. And now we're eating some food. Mm. Mm-hmm. And I have a surprise for you guys. A little surprise. Hopefully you guys like it. Mm. Está bueno.
¿Le gustó?
Mm-hmm.
Qué bueno. Papas al horno, el arroz está muy rico.
Wow. All right. So I recently got a let me reset. Wow, that Coke is so good I can't even think straight. So some of you have asked me for when are you gonna come up with some merch? Well, I finally came up with my first merch item. Shout out to my friend, longtime friend. He designed the shirt for me. He designed it, drew it himself. He sent it over to me. I'm getting the shirts made right now. I don't have them on me. Alright, so some of you have been asking me for a while, when are you going to come up with some merch? And I finally came up with my first merch item. Shout out to my longtime friend. He actually designed the shirt for me. He drew it out for me. I'm getting the shirts made right now. I wish I had it on right now so I could show you guys. I think you guys are going to like it. But on my next video, I'll make sure to share it with you guys. It's an awesome concept. I think it's fun. I love the colors of it. And I'm hoping you guys like it too. I'm going to drop a link when I drop the t-shirts for whoever wants to support Harry and wants to get yourself a t-shirt. They're going to come in a variety of sizes. So stay tuned for that. And hope you guys enjoy it. All right, let's finish this meal. I'm done. That's all she wrote. All right, guys, let's go get this iPhone. iCloud. Yes.
By the way, for privacy reasons, Apple support can't reset your password, but you can reset it and manage your Apple ID yourself on our website. If you like, before transferring you, I can send you the link. Carrier rates may apply. Would you like me to send the message?
No.
What is the account issue? Say, account recovery, locked or disabled.
Account recovery.
But you can reset it and manage your Apple ID yourself on our website. It's legal. I'll transfer you now.
Alright, let's go to photos and look at it and tap on investigate. Now, we're going to go to great shots. You can do it both here and there. And then we see the lady, the first photo on the laying down on the couch, red couch. Perfect. Now we are in the library, and as you see,
Nothing like a new phone.
the light in the room has been. This particular photo was shot.
I feel like a little kid when you're opening up a present on Christmas Day.
Go to the next one.
That's what it feels like.
Remember, you tap the fingers, and then release. Yep. Let's stay on the second photo. Now we have a person standing here.
Alright.
And then also this photo was shot on iPhone 15 Pro. Now we're gonna try to zoom in, zoom out, and try to zoom.
Let's not drop the phone. That's the front, right?
Remember this.
Got a little piece of protective paper over it. You got the back.
Tap the fingers together.
I'm happy. I'm happy because I got my phone back. I needed a phone. You don't think when you have your phone, you don't think how much you use your phone until you don't have one.
Then tap, and then
It's just crazy how much we actually use our phone. It's insane.
so with your hands go like this, and then with these hands, when you first you need to look at you hold and then zoom in. It's like open a curtain.
Yeah.
This room is just for breakdown.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
And with Apple Vision Pro, whenever
Okay.
you look at it,
Okay, that's fine.
zoom in. So
There goes Kano. Let's see how excited Kano is. Hey, get inside. Hey. Hey, why are you so excited? Damn. He wants me to pet him. You wanna go outside? Go. Come on. Come on, go. Go handle your business. All right, so we got our phone back. Got my beautiful little dog. That's my little Chihuahua. Her name's Bella. We're back. I got a phone protector. Right? I got my meal. Check this out. Check this out. Got my food. Got my chorizo. Got my eggs. Ooh, look at those eggs. Look at those eggs. And look who's right here. Trying to get some. You want some? Here you go. Good boy. Good boy.